Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a updated beauty room tour. I did one of these not too long ago. It's not that much changed, but I really didn't like the video. I made the music really loud in it, so I decided I'm just gonna refilm it. A few things are different, and yeah, let's get right into the room tour. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you walk in. I'm gonna go over everything. I'm gonna start over here. So the first thing that we have here, this is actually my laundry bin. I actually got this from Burlington Coat Factory. It's really cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's like suede, and I feel like it just looks really dainty where you can just close it up and you don't have to have your dirty clothes showing. And then you come over here, and this is a little overview of my dresser. I do have a mirror that can connect to this, but I just liked it better without the mirror because I already have a full length mirror that you guys will see, and then I have a vanity mirror too, so I didn't want to go crazy and have another mirror. So I just decided to just put all of this stuff on top of it. So I have these little lamps here, and I actually got those from Amazon, and I got those like probably 4 or 5 years ago. So I don't even think I'd be able to link them down below for you guys, but yeah, they're super cute. I still love them. And then here, I just have like a little jewelry holder. I just have like a couple pairs of earrings and my ring in there right now. This is one of my favorite things, my little perfume collection. So I filled this up, I feel like more since the last time, but yeah, I'm not gonna go over every perfume, but you guys get a little brief overview. I've been obsessed with the Ariana Grande Cloud one recently, but yeah, I have quite a little perfume collection going on now. And then I have this little remote, which I have these lights here up all around in my room. It's supposed to be like in a purple setting. It looks kind of blue on camera. But yeah, this controls it. You can control it from another spot too, but I have this just sitting here. And then in here, I just have highlighters. I had this last video as well. Like I said, not much has changed if you saw the last one. And then in here, I have all of my lipsticks. I have a bunch of my MAC ones, Anastasia, Milani, mostly MAC though. And then in here, I just have some liquid lipsticks. And here I have lip glosses, and then more like little lip glosses and matte lipsticks in here. And then I also have this little tower thing that has earrings on it. I really don't wear that many different pairs of these earrings. I kind of honestly just have it up at this point because it looks cute. Yeah, usually I just like to wear my studs. And then I have this picture of me and my husband here when we got married. We got married in Las Vegas. This was at the Venetian. So yeah, I love this picture of us. And then my other lamp. And then in these drawers, I basically just keep bras and underwears on the top. And then I have like my scrubs that I wear to work in the second one, and then PJs, and then the bottom one I have like shorts and skirts and some things like that. And then I have these little things down here. So this is where I'll keep my socks. And then in here I have some bathing suits, and then the next one I believe is bathing suits as well. So I just keep my bathing suits down below there. So this is my full length mirror right here. I actually got this from Overstock, and I feel like I got it for a decent price. I think I got it maybe like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, something like that. And then I have a picture of Marilyn. And then, like I said, I have these lights up here. And then this is my favorite part. I said the last time in the last video, I got this whole little vanity set. I did get both from Etsy, and I really liked this because I always wanted a mirrored vanity, which honestly guys, it's all it's cracked up to be. It's really pretty, but you have to clean it basically like every time that you do your makeup. But yeah, and then this is the little chair that I sit on, and I got this from Burlington as well. And my mom actually gave me this cup right here. It just says lash out and it has like little lashes on it. And I was like, I need to use that in my beauty room. And she gave me the idea like you could put brushes in it or something like that. And I thought that was a good idea. And then right here, I have my new Ariana Grande perfume. Told you guys I'm obsessed with perfume lately. So this is the new fragrance that she came out with, Rem. I love the packaging on it and it smells really good. Then this little thing my grandmother actually gave to me. It's supposed to be like hat pins or something like that. It's like a little antique thing. And I thought that all looked really cute together. And then over here, I just have my makeup brushes, like some more makeup brushes. And then this is like a Google Play or something, I believe it's called. I actually got it for free from Google, and you can play like your Spotify music on it. It's basically like a Siri. And then when you look in here, I just have, oops, I'll put it this way. So I just have like some mascaras, little products, lip products, eyelash glue, all that good stuff. I just got a big thing of this because I'm obsessed with the smell. It smells so freaking good. And then back here I have beauty blenders, which I really need to clean them. And then I like to keep Scotch tape for when I do eyeshadow looks. And then I have some lashes right here. And then I have like eyebrow stuff back there, like to pluck and fix my eyebrows up and everything. Hair ties here, just a random assortment of things. And then you come in here and I have hair ties, clips, and all of that stuff. I actually got this from that Cloud perfume and I decided to use it to put little clips in. So I thought that was a good idea. And then I have this Florida water. I need to use this more. And then deodorant, and then I have other like little perfumes. This is the Courtney one from the KKW fragrances when they came out with those three, her, Chloe, and Kim. So that's all I keep in there. I have this little Chanel perfume bottle picture. I got that from Burlington. And then I have this little tiny picture of Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's. I love that movie. And I think I got that from like Claire's or something. But yeah, it's like a little tiny one. You can see it in comparison. And this is where I have all my makeup. I have this little acrylic organizer. And basically in the top drawer, I just keep primers. And then I have some facial sprays and like setting sprays. I'm just gonna go over this really briefly. And then in here I have bronzers, blushes, some liquid products, things like that. And then in here I keep eyeshadow palettes. And then same thing in here, eyeshadow palettes. And then in here, I just have skincare stuff. And then I've had this for a little while now. It's really handy if you have a small closet. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera around so much. But yeah, I just like to keep my jackets on here. And then over here I have like dresses and things like that. And I have one little bag out. Usually I keep my bags put away in my closet. So I'll put that away later. And then I just have these down here. They're just little containers with other like beauty products in it and stuff like that. Just little organizers. And then this is my closet. It's not very big, it's pretty tiny. Here I have a couple more organizers that are pretty much like bags and accessories. Keep my jeans all piled up there, pants, and then I have a little Apple bag because I just got a new computer. And then I try to kind of color coordinate all my stuff. I hate the fact that I have two of these black ones right in the middle, but hangers right in the middle, but I ran out of white hangers, so I need to get some more. And then down here, I have more organizers. I don't know how well you guys can probably see this right now because it's kind of dark, but I have little like handbags in here. And I got these from the Container Store, I want to say. And then I think this has like pantyhose and things like that in it. Down here, I got this little organizer, I think from the Container Store as well a while back, and I just put shoes in it. I have a purse right there, but you can put either or in it. Right here, I also have some more of my bigger handbags. It's the same organizer as that. And then I have some bags in that actual bag, just like carry-on kind of bags. And last but not least, I have my little shoe rack here. This is what we've got going on right now. I just got these really cute pair of shoes from Fashion Nova. I can't wait to wear them. It's too cold right now. But they're like little nude mule heels. So freaking cute. And then I have my little BB shoes. And then these are the rest. I tried to put like the black ones at the bottom and then like the nude ones at the top. I mean, the BB kind of stands out, but it's not bad. Okay guys, so that was a very brief updated room tour. If you want me to do like a makeup collection one, let me know. I could do something like that. I don't have a lot of makeup, but I'll definitely go through and show you guys in more detail. But I just wanted to show you guys what my room looks like and maybe help you if you're trying to fix your beauty room up and give you some ideas. But yeah, if you are new here, please subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.